right hand side. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hello guys, hi. Have a nice day. Bye. Okay, so we are the longest river in the world, reaching across more than 4,000 miles. But don't worry, I know a shortcut. It only takes 3 days and 2 nights. So look at that. What's that? Wow. It's not an elephant, it's a little baby. It's also giving her little one how to use his trunk. So cute. And your right hand side is something that you don't see every day. Elephant taking a shower. Oh, look at those wrinkles. He's probably under the water too long. Oh, look at that. Let's go. We all know what's that. It's from the elephant. It's aiming on us. Elephant, I don't want to get burned. Let's go. Oh no, and he's coming up again. Watch out! Oh, you're just kidding. Don't worry, okay? But the elephant follows off the main river, and I have never been this way before. But look at those spiders. Wow, did you know they can jump over 20 feet? But don't worry, we are only 10 feet away, so if they jump, they will jump right over us. And be careful, your right hand side, that giant spider. And on the hand is the ancient temple of the nation, the elephant god. Look at those king cobras, they are the largest poisonous snake in the world. And that one is within striking distance, so everybody holds still. And be careful, okay? Alright, so we are entering the true heart of this jungle. You can see those reptiles. We have a word for them. We call them crocodiles, right? But did you know they have a word for us too? They call us dinner. Oh, you better keep your hands in. Okay, and now we're at the professor calling and says, but it seems like they have some unexpected company. Oh, it's a bunch of gorilla, you see? If you're wearing anything yellow, don't make any noises like banana, right? Oh! It's a gunshot! Hear that? Wow, so dangerous. Let's get it up here. Okay, now we're in Africa. You can see those giraffe and zebra. Isn't that cute, right? And this is number 2 most feared animal in this jungle. African elephants. Hello, elephants. Hi. Hello. Okay, so who is number 1? Oh no, it's his mother-in-law. And now we're entering a pool of dangerous people. These big nose and paws creatures can bite right through our flesh with their big teeth. Look at them now. Wow. And careful. I know you are so brave. The last school of my boat jumped on when they saw those hippos. And there they are now, see? We tell you to stay in your seat for a reason. Okay, good luck. Oh no, see those skulls? It's having a sign language, and it says, please remove your jewelry and watches now. That way, we won't get a starvation when we eat you. Uh-oh. Shh, keep quiet. If you get hit with a poison dart, you need to put it on every bed because we are not allowed to keep any souvenirs. Okay? Alright, so we can go back to the dot now. The dot is over there. Nothing can stop us. So everybody, please remain seated. And here we go. Ooh! What happened? Oh no! We've been forced into the forbidden canyon of the god. And this mysterious place is forbidden by the god of fire and water. Oh no, they blocked our escape. We can't go now. Oh, sorry, the god of fire, please forgive us. The god of fire is getting angry. I can feel my boat. Barbecued? No, that's great. We are out of danger now. Hooray! And you can see the baby elephant again, and let's come and say goodbye to us. Let's say goodbye to him. Bye, baby elephant. See you soon. Bye. Okay, before we go back to the dot, everybody please remain seated and keep your hands inside the boat and mind your elbow, please. Mind your elbow. Thank you. Alright, so we can go back to the dot now. Did you enjoy this trip? Yeah. Enjoy. Okay, that's great. If you enjoy, remember me, I'm Selena, but if you didn't, just call me Stella, okay? So you can use the window and the back door to leave. Don't climb through the windows. Otherwise, you become a gorilla, and I will send you back to the jungle, and you need to eat banana every day, okay?